I don't even care.
Hello,
I don't
guys.
care what happens
Welcome
anymore.
to
Oh,
Hunger
this is so
Games.
scenic. Hey, can you guys teleport to me? This is pretty
And
scenic.
so we just have
I see you.
chocolate tape in a boat. He's just riding. This is awesome.
Anuj, I
My
can
God.
spectate break your boat.
No way.
Freaking.
Spectators can break boats.
Hey, stop. This is pretty funny. Hey, it's gonna break. Damn it, Jason.
This is so funny.
It is.
That was
this
Nick
is,
this time. That was Nick.
Alright,
This time.
alright.
There's two guys over. There's two guys over there. I'm gonna go towards them.
Wait.
This is like the most god boat because
Oh my-
you don't lose hunger when on a boat.
See, this is the greatest thing ever, because Jason, I have Optifine, right? So you know what I'm doing?
Yes? What happened
I'm
there?
just zooming in, following Anuj on the boat. It's
Let's
like
go
the
zoom
coolest
in.
thing ever.
Honestly, this is pretty great. Like, you guys don't even know.
That looks pretty awesome. Oh, dude, there's a guy in here. Ooh,
I'm like drifting on this thing.
Wait, is there really a
chocolate
guy in here?
Derpies.
There's two guys in
Derpies.
that building.
Let's see. Oh, dude, this guy's doing these guys are doing parkour. Let's see. They got a good
Are they really?
chest.
If any of them falls to the bottom, we're gonna destroy them.
Oh, dude. Zesty, though, is still... What? Who is he aiming at?
Oh, there's two guys up here. There's three guys up here?
Are they teaming?
Yeah. Oh no, there's two guys. There's two guys.
Alright.
There's two guys.
I have a plan.
You know when
Ride
I'm on
the
a boat,
boat.
hey Nick,
Oh
I don't
my
think
is
you
like
can
the-
lose hunger when on a boat.
This is
When I'm on a
the
boat, I
funniest
don't lose
thing
hunger.
ever.
So I
No,
can
you
just-
should go up there and kill him.
There's two guys over here. Hold on. Hey, when I'm on a boat, I don't lose hunger,
Let me see,
right?
Neither of them have weapons. I don't think either.
Anuj, that's the guy who killed me. Zesty, though, and MC Finest. Just
Dude,
like
dude,
ride.
this DR,
No,
Dr. Pies does not have a weapon.
Dude. Just ride right through them. Go.
I'll kill you all. No, my boat.
Did it crash?
They have my boat. They have my
Oh my
boat as a
God.
good.
Oh my god.
Terrible idea.
He's boosting you. He's helping.
He
Oh, dude,
out-boosted
dude,
you.
He turned
No
around.
way.
He turned around. He's
Oh,
turning
dude,
on
that's so
anti-glitch.
cool. This looks so funny. Oh my god, dude. Wait, there might be a chest on... Oh, dude, there's a chest at the very top of this.
The very top.
Yeah.
Probably taken. Oh my god. Probably taken though.
Eh.
Do the parkour.
I don't know where to go from
Oh,
here.
no, turn around. Yeah, there's a jump right there.
Jump
do it, you
all
can
the
do
way up.
Yay.
Yeah, just keep jumping.
Yeah, and then keep, going up, keep doing that. No. Yeah, that, oh shit.
No, you went on the... Oh, yeah. You
No, it works. And then go around, you have to go around.
Around.
Yeah, keep going around.
No, just keep going around,
No,
you
just
can't
keep
make it up
walking
there.
around,
Yeah,
yeah,
just keep
yeah.
walking around, make sure you don't fall
Yeah.
off.
Alright, yeah, one more side. Yeah, right here. Here's where you can just climb
Oh.
up freely.
Ooh, kill him.
Okay. Oh,
I have one heart. Like,
what? Do you have food?
no. I have
If you
like
miss
half
this, you're
hunger.
dead.
I really want to just watch this happen. Oh my god.
I get to the top and then I just hit the fall. It's empty.
Doing parkour behind us. What? Wait, where's the... Wait, does he have a sword? Oh, he has a sword.
I missed.
A wood sword. Did you die?
Maybe.
Amazing.
I got an achievement.
I feel like we have to do another one. That was just honestly kind of bad.
That was the most god one ever. I had
Thanks
this
for watching.
kamikaze